Ya pesido loka LC5 ano disalo bukedia giside togu ngonu kere. Neraskede TV lo ko ya pesike ko balada be ne petai I milionin akurata kaisa kanya palu kanyare kesidi adauna itosom. Kanoka boke kina kipila yo temula barwa ayengara kini tungalu angina ludi chogoro reja utene loka dumuna kipi. Yo miracle na de rapun le cholongelo si faf ngeside neraskede TV lo keside togo ngonu kede dules.
Akote tunganu abarwa aitinge project mon. Hedeta wedobe. Nare project mon ingara kino kedwe ingara ni tunganu abarwa da kere nara kitungun mamesa to sosumiro. Apoterelo sibonibe egi roda edita na abarwa. Konye ebo system lo to so makwa na kolom solars ana Adumu na Akipi. Era Akipi no yangarete apake kamuda ejasi poroda ejasi kede erikyo aiboiso nikonai nipo so kape district table project mo apote tojo kasibere de ngara sibero na barwa city tete riko nai tete dwe una dumnete agangatani polo kede komite da na barwa
Otomai na patano ka polo etemulo abara nisile mijatari keda Jonisina Akipi Nyone apengo ido Stephen Ongaba leya ita na petanu ka planning o neo districta ngesida anyanya ada kona eneri keda idules.
On issues of water, as a district, we have already a water project going on in Kabarwa. That's going to serve the seed school. The tanks are already up. The piping is already done. It will serve the seed school, all the primary schools, and the town of Kabarwa. So that program is there. So this year we shall have water flowing, and that project will be handed over to the community. The water project under the district. We had 167 million. Used on the ground was 40 million. The other balance was, used on the ground was 141 million. The other balance was operation, procurement processes, and so on. Contract management. This year, we want to see that that project is completed and people of Kabarwa Town Council proposed to be we'll have running water. Why not?
Kala yo temula abara ne de dukita project lo ngeside togo ngodo be nangura lo dera punle cholong LC3 angina o balabe
project le jaine era le district program yeni duche be jukana ina pugane district agelo non me koronari temon taruje poso Adumu to sagela dipete na pono boke kina ini kwenye agelo ngene ada ona ibo gotaka ni jas keda Akipi puno ito maki oele pate district abosana yataki na ibo ka kilo na chini ikosa ma Akipi nwari ko Kenya Akipi for center lo Kabarwa usodi ayangari to chalo dale gongas kede center abu district to cham lemso ne Kabarwa kapite oto sejasi ne isomero ejae seed secondary school ejae primary school ejae police barracks ejae tem kede center jaso kede kile dopete bon oda mame pedor chile mai ngara
David Wright oppose TV East Kobo Kedia district